calling for a clean-up in aisle number 6. Fermentation is well underway. Blimey, that was quick. Shall we try another time lapse? Day 1, still hyperactive. Need to clean up again. Still pretty active. We're only 1 day in. Really has slowed down a lot. Try again to get the bung out of here. Two-handed this time. Okay. So we've got dry hops to try and put in there. Well, it wasn't elegant, but dry hopping is done. So for 2 days, and then we've got to figure out if we can possibly get them out again. When I said this brew was going to be a series of firsts, I really didn't know what I was letting myself in for. So we've been dry hopping for 2 days. So the mission now is to remove the hops. The second is, this is really interesting, how the yeast has flocculated at the bottom. It's like rocky craters. I've moved location just in case this is a complete disaster, and to hopefully ease the cleanup time. Well, that was actually a little easier than I expected. I'll take the win. They smell very beery in a very good way. Ex-hops. That seems to have woken it up a little bit. I was going to leave it for a little while longer anyway. So, back to the dark for you. This is a quick step. We're here to take the SMaSH off the considerable, actually, amount of lees that's at the bottom here, and hopefully that will start to help it on its journey to clearing. Well, that does look rather good. Holy schmoly, that is a lot of lees there at the bottom and quite a lot of headroom here. The colour though looks terrific, so we are definitely moving in the right direction. Since I'm here, I've decided to do an extra step today. So I'm going to use some Finings on the SMaSH to help with clearing. Now I've used these Finings before. You add A, the wait now add B, and they work amazingly on a very cloudy wine. So I am very impressed with these Finings. For 5 litres, there's some instructions on the box, and it does say 3 millilitres of A followed by 3 millilitres of B. So I've got my pipette at the ready to be able to sort of do that. And last time it was within 24 hours. The impact was remarkable. So we'll see what happens here. What this will do then is leave me in a position where I can decide at the weekend exactly what I want to do in terms of carbonation and bottling. That's it for an hour. We're just going to repeat the whole exercise with Finings B. Coincidentally, that's almost exactly 3 millilitres. Wow, that was a bit lucky. Nothing more for us to do. We'll come and check on it tomorrow morning.